أكبر الله أكبر.
So today I'm going to be talking to you about the devil's tools. And one of the devil's tools is lust. You know, sometimes the devil, when you're at a place, he'll beautify a woman for you, if you're a guy, or beautify a guy. He'll make you think that that guy has attractive attributes. And then he'll make you go about trying to get with that person if it's fine, like if you're married or something, that's fine, right? If you're married to that person, not to someone else, and you're trying to get someone else, obviously. Anyway, so it's fine to be lustful towards your spouse because it's part of attraction. It's part of that, which draws you towards them. But if you're being lustful towards someone else, you know, that is a sin. Premarital sex, I don't have to tell you this, is a sin. And I know it's hard. Growing up in the Western culture, because for those of you who don't know my story, I was not a Muslim. I was a devout atheist for the longest time. The longest time I was a devout atheist. You know, atheism was my religion at the time. And then I kind of discovered quantum physics, and I went on a path of discovery, and I found Islam. Alhamdulillah, I found Islam because it saved me. And this is why I'm so intent on calling you guys to goodness. In fact, I wish all of you guys would make a video of your own, at least one, and submit it on your on your channel, calling others to goodness. You know, you don't mention me at all. Don't mention my show or anything. Just call others to goodness on your own, because the rewards of people watching that, you know, even when you die, it's one of these rewards that I'm sure will come back to you. But that's not the purpose of making it. It's just to be a good human being. You know, we should all be good. We should strive for goodness. Anyway, back to lust, because I started rambling there. Back to lust. We all lust things. We lust people. We lust things. I mean, it's fine to want something. But when that want becomes an obsession, right, that you know you've gone too far. Because the devil likes to make things that are close to things that are natural to us. You know, humans, we want food, we want car, we want transportation, right? If it was the olden days, we'd want a horse to get to places, right? You don't want to walk around in shoes. It hurts your feet if you're walking for like 10, 20 miles. You know, you could do it, but it hurts, right? So naturally, we want things to make our life easier. Because we're human beings, it's part of who we are. But when that thing becomes an obsession, when you feel like you're going to die without it, obviously like things like water and food, you can die without those. But when your life has become an obsession, when you feel like you need to gamble, when you feel like you need to hoard more money, you know, you feel like you need to be, you know, that dragon under the mountain, you know, hoarding all this gold. What's this called? Smurg. I think it's Smurg. Smaug? When you become Smaug the dragon, hoarding all that gold. Why? Well, I mean, dwarves are wrong too, but I mean, this is Hobbit reference, Super Time Deluxe Edition right here. But when you become Smaug and you're surrounded by gold and treasure, and then you still can't get enough, that is lust, ladies and gentlemen. When you're going after every woman out there, if you're a guy or if you're a girl going after every guy or whatever, you're going after every other person out there who's not your spouse, and you're not married, or it's premarital sex, you know that is lust. When you are wanting every new car that comes out, that is lust. When you feel like a new phone has come out and you need to get that, right, even though your phone is working perfectly fine, surely that is lust too. So please, brothers and sisters, the devil's going to try and turn your want for things into want for lust. And lust is a dangerous game. It will lead us to sin. It will lead us to heck in a handbasket, so to speak. So please, brothers and sisters, come to goodness. Avoid lust like it's a plague. You know, one of those diseased guys out there trying to give you disease. You'd avoid him like the plague, right? So avoid sin like the plague, please. Remember my words, remember the Quran, remember the teachings of Muhammad, peace be upon him, and remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now come to goodness, come to goodness.